So after doing the evaluation of the Street Cup, of course, like you saw in the article, I had to buy my own. Had to get one. 2017 Triumph Street Cup. And the only modification really I've done to it so far, as you can tell by looking at the handlebars there, is I took the Clubman bars off and put a set of Street Twin bars on it, more like flat tracker bars. And makes a world of difference, for me at least, in how it handles. Feels more upright. Feels even more flickable than when I was leaning over. I've ridden sport bikes off and on over the years, and the older I get and the more neck pain and back pain I get from that, the more I appreciate a little bit more upright riding position, which is what these bars afford me. So on this little clip, I actually just decided to take it out for a little ride and test a GoPro mount that I actually had mounted on the side of my Bell helmet on the right side right there, for the 2-up ride that I did at the Road Atlanta round of Moto America, where I rode with Chris Ulrich on the Suzuki X-Star 2-up rides, which is something that they do, sponsored by Dunlop. So this video footage is what I did after I mounted it. One, just to kind of illustrate and let people visualize what the bars look like in a more upright riding position on the Street Cup, and also experimenting with good placement for the GoPro, and also practicing with it so that I won't be flicking my head around and getting people dizzy when they try to watch the video. So anyway, I'm enjoying the Street Cup, still having a great time with it. I've had it a little over a year and a month or two so now, and the bike is still just the perfect fit for me in so many ways. The fit and finish of it, the fact that it handles so light, quick, and nimbly, plus the fact that it looks older. It's just got that vintage kind of look for it and going for it as well, and I really enjoy that. Getting on up in years myself a little bit, so kind of the old and the new together, so enjoying it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the article. Hope you enjoy a couple of minutes worth of a scenic ride out in the country near where we live, and stay tuned, more to come on RoadDirt.tv.